Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising. Ayan, so let's see ano yung energies for you ngayong July 2026 using Tarot and Oracle. So this is a general reading. Pwede kayong makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com. Or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. So let's see, Taurus, what is the energy for you ngayong July? For Taurus, Venus, wow, it's about love. Venus is your ruler. So maaring aligned for you ngayong July ang relationships, connections, partnerships, commitments. So pwedeng ikaw ay magko-commit sa isang trabaho, business, relationship ngayong July. You also have the North Node fulfillment. Oh, I love this. The North Node is your destiny. This is your purpose. So I think ngayong July, mas focus ka ngayon sa future mo. You have a lot of motivation to finally align yourself sa iyong purpose. Let's see your overall energy. You have the High Priestess. So this is your wisdom, your instinct, intuition, doing things in secret, and kumbaga mas may privacy ka ngayong July. Some of you, if you are into spirituality, mas magiging malakas yung iyong instinct, intuition. Take advantage of that para mas i-develop mo pa yung sarili mo. You have the Page of Cups. This is about your creativity, your imagination. So I think mas nagiging imaginative ka in the spiritual realm. Yung iba sa inyo, kayo ay gifted, spiritually gifted. Meron kayong mga spiritual gifts na mas lalo nyong i-develop ngayong July. Some of you, this can be having a baby, no? Pwedeng merong, if yan yung inyong interest talaga, or plano ninyo to have a baby, then there's a possibility of baby ngayong July. Now, your challenge is the Queen of Wands. As a challenge, pwedeng may mga bagay na mamadaliin ka. So, you have to make sure lang na pinag-isipan mo bago mo siya gawin. Pinag-aralan mo bago mo siya gawin. Pwede rin meron ditong may mga misunderstanding dahil sa actions na gagawin mo, yung tipong medyo ang dating mo sa iba masyadong mayabang, ganon. So, pwedeng magkaroon ng misunderstanding. You also have the Five of Pentacles. So, pay attention to your finances ngayong July. Okay, Taurus, ingat-ingat muna sa gastos, iwas-iwas muna sa gastos. Pwedeng meron kang mga unexpected na pagkakagastosan. So, mas okay na ready ka doon. So, some of you will also fix your financial situation. Now, the opportunity, the Nine of Pentacles. So, marami kang opportunity to make money ngayong July. I see that marami kang pinalalago na ito yung mga nasimulan mo, business, trabaho, source of income, ganyan. Some of you, meron kayong multiple streams of income. Yung iba sa inyo, kayo ang breadwinner sa family. So, you have the opportunity to make more money. Mas okay na you are making more money than spending more money. Diba? Oh, you have the Sun. Oh, wow. Okay. So, some of you, meron ditong opportunity to be more creative, to be more playful, to be in the spotlight. So, some of you, pwedeng merong level of success or fame sa inyo. This can also be, an opportunity for a baby kasi the Sun also is about having a baby. Now, your blessing is the Magician. Ang blessing nyo is yung inyong talento. Kasi iba sa inyo, Taurus, you're very much talented, especially in anything about the earthy talents, no? So, food, pwedeng sa food, agriculture, finances, no? So, meron kang mga talento dyan na yan yung magbibigay sa'yo ng financial stability. Siyempre, kahit naman na gaano kalaking income mo, kung malaki rin naman ang gastos mo, ganon din naman yon. So, just in case na mas mag-level up ka sa finances mo, yung, kumbaga yung lifestyle mo, ganun pa rin para mas marami kang maipon. You have the Six of Swords. Some of you will change career, will change your location, no? Yung bahay, tinitirahan ninyo. Pwede rin meron ditong, this can be an unexpected travel dahil meron kang pupuntahan na related sa project or business mo or trabaho. Yung iba merong unexpected na interview sa isang company dahil part yan ng iyong mga plano na kapag natanggap ko sa company na yon, lilipat ka na doon sa lugar na yon for good, mga ganun. Someone is trying to silence you, yung parang pinapatahimik ka. Oo, na tipong, kung ano man to nalalaman mo, gusto nilang huwag kang magsalita or mag-comment about it. Or naglilimit ng freedom mo. May nagtatry na i-manipulate ka. So, nasa sa'yo yon if you will let this person manipulate you. But I think, mas pipiliin mong manahimik. Kasi ayaw mong ipaalam kung ano yung susunod mong diskarte or yung susunod mong step or action. Diba? You're going to use your voice, your communication skills to be more famous or to be more seen. Kumbaga, mas makikilala ka. Some of you, merong public speaking, sharing your experiences, meron ding mentoring, kind of philosophical. I think yung mga may kinalaman to sa talents and skills mo na isi-share mo sa iba. See, you are being supported. Mas lumalawak yung network mo. Mas marami ka ngayong kakilala. Marami kang connections that will help you grow your career, your finances. Mag-a-align yan sa iyong purpose. Exciting. Surrender. Stop trying to control life. It gets in the way of divine intervention. So, ito yung resistance, diba? Minsan, nagre-resist tayo sa pagbabago. Pero ang totoo, mas maganda na isurrender mo yon kung hindi mo naman nakontrolado yung sitwasyon. Kasi maaring ito ay divine intervention dahil ikaw ay piniprepare or ina-align sa iyong life's purpose. Okay, so that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. See you again.